The 2006 Cadillac SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is too long to list and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.